Good morning, class 5. Welcome to the offline class, and from today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 25, pictograph and bar graph. Okay, this chapter is related to smart chart of math magic, that is chapter number 12. Okay, so in math magic you will practice chapter number 12 smart chart, and in composite maths you will practice chapter number 25 pictograph and bar graph. See, as the title, pictograph and bar graph, that means all the questions related to graph we will discuss here. Okay, so as you have done in earlier classes also, so just we will revise this one, that what is the meaning of data. As you know, the collection of information in form of numerical figures, that is called the numerical data, isn't it? Graph is the information regarding that data. Clear? So if it is informed in numerical figures, that means if the data is shown to you in the form of numericals, then it is the numerical data. Similarly, if it is representing by the pictures or by any symbols, picture symbols, then it is the pictograph. Okay, and if the same information is given to you with the help of bar, so that type of graph we will say it is a bar graph. Okay, so here you will deal with three types of graph. One is the numerical, one is pictograph, and one is bar graph. Okay, with these type of graph we will solve the exercises of chapter 25. Okay, so this is my request to you. You will practice this pictograph in your copy, not in the book. Okay, you will do it in your copy, and whatever examples are given you have to practice that also. Clear? Okay, now come to exercise 80. See, the first question of exercise 80. The table given below shows the number of students present in a class during a week. Now here one table is shown to you, and in this table the students, those who are present in a week, that is given, means the total number of students present. This information is given in the form of numericals or in the form of numbers. You have to represent that. Take a triangle to represent 3 students present in the class and draw a pictograph. You have to draw a pictograph. That means this information you have to draw in the form of pictures. So that will be a pictograph. See, it is given that on Monday total number of students present were 36, Tuesday it is 30, Wednesday total students present were 33, Thursday 39, Friday 30, and Saturday is 27. Now this you have to represent in a pictograph. And one more thing, it is given here that the pictograph you have to represent a triangle. A triangle is equals to 3 students. That means one triangle represents 3 students. So naturally you have to divide this 36 by 3 to get total number of triangles, isn't it? So when you will divide this 36 by 3, it will be 12. That means 12 triangles you have to show for Monday. Then since it is 30 for Tuesday, so you have to show 10 triangles, because 3 tens are 30. So 10 triangles for Tuesday. Similarly for Wednesday you have to show 11 triangles. For Thursday you have to show 13 because it is 39. And for Friday 30 is given, that means 10 triangles you have to draw. And for Saturday it is given 27. So 9 threes are 27. That means you have to show 9 triangles. Clear? So let us write this one. See, you have to draw the pictograph. I am not writing the question directly, I am drawing the pictograph. Okay, question number 1. Here it is given that you have to write it. On the top you will write scale. Scale is one triangle represents 3 students. Okay, so you will draw for Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday. I am drawing a horizontal graph. Okay, you can draw vertical also. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Now for Monday, since it is given 36 and 12 3s are 36, that means you have to draw 12 triangles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So 12 triangles for Monday. Now for Tuesday, it is 30, that means 10, because one triangle represents 3 students, so it will be 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Now for Wednesday, is 33, that means 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Now for Thursday, it is given 39, that means 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. For Friday it will be again 30 is given, that means 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Lastly for Saturday, it is given 27, that means you will draw 9 triangles. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. See, this we have drawn for representing the total number of students present in a class in a week. Okay, and one more thing, you have to draw this pictograph with the help of the pencil, not with the pen. Okay, whatever you are doing in the graph, you have to do it with the pencil. Clear? Similarly for question number 2. See, question number 2 is, there are 6,500 men, 4,500 women and 1,500 children in a village. Taking the scale, yellow square is equals to 500 men, green rectangle is equals to 500 women, and a circle is equals to 500 children. Draw a pictograph to show the population of the village. Now with these symbols you have to draw the population of a village where the total number of men, women and children is given. Okay, so what you will do, first of all you will draw for men. Now men, here it is given total number of men are 6,500 and you have to represent from a yellow square which is equals to 500 men. So what you will do, you will divide this 6,500 by 500. So the 0 will be cancelled, 5 1s are 5, 13s are 65, isn't it? That means you have to draw 13 squares, this yellow squares, okay, for representing men. Similarly for representing women, you have to again 4,500 divided by 500, 0 cancels, 45 by 5, that means 9. So for women you will draw 9 rectangle. Clear? Similarly for children, here it is given total number of children 1,500 and one circle represents 500 children, that means 1,500 divided by 500, 0 cancels, 5 3s are 15. So 3 circles you will draw to represent the children. Clear? So this way question number 2 you will draw to show the population of the village. Clear? So this I am giving you homework, you will do this question number 2 of your own. Now come to question number 3. Question number 3 is, the number of various types of vehicles running in a day on the roads of Meerut city is shown below. Now here the vehicles that are running, it is shown here. Cycle 800, scooter 500, cars 300 and buses 200. Convey the above information through a pictograph. Again you have to draw a pictograph and which represents the cycles 800, scooters 500, cars 300 and buses 200. So what you will do, you will do the same way. Suppose I am taking a triangle. Okay, a triangle represents 100 mode of transport or types of vehicles. Okay, so you will draw for cycles 8, since 100 is the one triangle is equals to 100 various types of vehicles. Okay, so for cycles you will draw 8, since it is 800, so you will draw 8 triangles. Similarly for scooters, here it is 500, that means for 5 triangles you will draw. Third one is for car, so you will draw 3 triangles for the car, and for the buses you will draw 2 triangles because it is 200. Clear? So let us do this one, question number 3. You can take any other representations also. It is not necessary that you have to take the triangle only. To draw the triangle, it is easy and very quick. That's why I'm taking as triangle. Okay, so this is question number 3. You will write the same thing. Scale is equals to 1 triangle represents the spelling is wrong. Let me correct it. represents, represents 100 vehicles. Okay, now see, first one cycles, second one scooters, third one cars, and fourth one is buses. Okay, now cycle 800, that means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So this is 8. Similarly, scooters 500, so you will draw 5 triangle. Then car, it is 300, so you will take 3. And for buses it is 200, so you will draw 2. See, my drawing is very bad, so my triangles, they are looking like oval shape, sometimes circle shape. Okay, but you don't do this type of things. You draw a neat and clean triangle. Okay, yes, so this way you will do question number 3. Now come to question number 4. Quickly come to question number 4. The following pictograph shows the number of students using various modes of transportation for going to their school. Now the pictograph is shown. You have to answer some of the questions which are related to this pictograph. Clear? See, if each picture represents 100 students using that mode, answer the questions given below. Now here the scale is given. One picture is equals to 100 students. Okay, so according to that you will answer the questions. The first question: how many students go to school on foot? Now clearly you can see on foot here the pictures are 4. That means if one picture represents 100, so 4 will be 400. So by foot the total number of students are 400. Similarly, question number B: how many students use school bus? Now for bus only one is given. That means only 100 students. So you will write 100. Number C: how many students use bicycle to go to their school? Now for bicycle, count for the bicycle. How many pictures it is given? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That means 5 is equals to 500. So 500 students, they are going with the help of bicycle. Now number D: how many students in all are there in the school? So in all, how many students are there? So what you will do, first of all, you will count the total number of pictures on foot, on bicycle, by car and by bus. Quickly count all the pictures. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Total pictures are given 11. That means 11 will be multiplied by 100. So it is 1100. So total number of students in the school are 1100. Okay. Now number E: what mode is adopted by maximum number of students? Now look to the picture. Which picture is maximum? You can see the picture which is given for bicycle. It is 5. That means it is the maximum. So you will write the answer that the mode of bicycle, what mode means bicycle is adopted by maximum number of students, isn't it? That means in this school maximum students, they are coming by bicycle. Okay, so this way, if the pictograph is given, you can answer all the questions based on that pictograph, and if the information is given and you have to draw the pictograph, then also you should be able to draw the pictograph based on the following information. Clear? Now come to question number 5. Wait, let me write the answers for question number 4. See the answers for question number 4. The first answer we have found: by foot there are only 400 students. Then By bus, there are only 100 students. Number C, those who are coming by bicycle, they are 500 students. Number D, how many students total? It is 1100 total number of students. And number E, the maximum students taking which mode? It is the bicycle. That means maximum students, they are coming by bicycle to school. Okay. Now quickly come to question number 5. This is the last question of today's class. There are 1350 persons living in a colony of Delhi. The number of persons knowing various languages is given below. Now here in a colony of Delhi, the total number of students, total number of persons is given 1350, and these persons, they can talk different languages, and that languages are given: Hindi, Tamil, Bengali and Malayalam. So these are the languages spoken by the people who lives in the colony of Delhi. Okay, so draw a pictograph which conveys the above information. Now for this you have to draw the pictograph which resembles this language. Okay, so here you can see Hindi 500, Tamil 450, Bengali 250 and Malayalam is given 150. So you will take the scale as suppose you are taking smiley. So one smiley is equals to 100 persons. One smiley is equals to 100 persons. That means one smiley represents 100 persons. So for Hindi, you will draw 5 smileys. Okay, for Hindi you will draw 5 smileys because it is given 500. Similarly for Tamil it is given 450. So 400 plus 50, that means 4 smiley you will draw, and for 50 you will draw half. 4 full smiley you will draw, and for 50 only half smiley you will draw. Similarly, Bengali is given 250. That means 200 plus 50. So for 200 you will draw 2 smiley, and for 50 you will draw 1 half smiley. Then Malayalam is given 150. So 100 plus 50, that means 100 for the 100 means 1 smiley for 100 persons and 50. So half smiley. So this way you complete question number 5 of your own. Okay, so today's homework is 2 questions I am giving you as homework. You try at home, you draw at home, because just you have to draw the pictograph. Okay, so students, bye for today. That's all, and you practice the graph because it is very important and it will help you in your future life. Okay, so goodbye for today.